Just a quick little overview of finding this A, B, C, and D that I think will help. If you're feeling a little fuzzy about this, this is going to help a lot. Let's say that you have a point here at 2, 10. This is my, let's say this is time, and this is population of some sort. Okay? So here's where a low was, and here's where a high was. Okay? So here's your high, here's your low. And you could sketch a little one of these. Okay, here's an overview of what we're doing. The first thing that we did is we wanted to find the middle. What did we call that? A, B, C, or D? The middle, raise that up, go from -1 to 1, go up to the middle. This is your D, isn't it? And D is going to be 20 plus 10 over 2. High minus low over 2. Okay? Then you want to figure out what the amplitude is. A is the amplitude here. A is your amplitude there. To figure out A, you're going to take the high minus the middle. Okay? And that's just going to be, this middle was 15, right? And so the high is 20. 20 minus 15 is just 5. That amplitude is 5. Totally makes sense. Okay, then when we found B, it was 2 pi over the period. Now 2 to 12 is 10. That's half of the period. To get the full period, it's going to be another 10. So it's going to be 20, which is pi over 10. And then C is the x value of the first peak, which is going to be 12. Okay, so my answer is just going to be y is equal to 5 cosine pi over 10 t minus 12 plus 15. Okay, that's what we've done. Everything is fine. You get that. But wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to organize this so it made sense? Well, here's how you do it. Notice that A and D are having to do with vertical changes and the y-axis. A and D only mess with the y. What do we do to find B and C? What do we mess with? The x. This is how I keep all of this straight, is if I'm looking for A and D, those are vertical changes in amplitude and in the D vertical shift. And if I'm looking for a B period change, that's more of an X thing, and C is going to be a horizontal shift of 12. So whenever I'm looking for B and C, I look at the x-axis. These two, I look at the x-axis. And these two, I look at the y-axis. And that really helps me organize these so that it doesn't seem quite so crazy and abstract. Does that help put it together a little bit?